I got some information to tell y'all. I think that it is like overdue. And it needs to be said. I'm ready for a kid. No, I'm ready to have kids. I'm ready to stick it in and just do it.
1, 2, 3. What's up? It's the GLO.TWINZ. Nah. Why the fuck would you do
it right? Do it right or don't do it at all.
1, 2, 3. What's up? It's me.
It's JD.
And make sure. I'm sorry. I sorry.
Do it right. All right, come on. Take 1 fucking 3.
1, 2, 3. What's up? It's me.
It's JD.
And we are back with another video. Me na na. How do I do this one? Walk up in the party.
No. Let me get it started.
We back with another video. Make sure you comment below.
Make sure you comment with unicorns with me.
Y'all, we got the same thing we had yesterday.
Yeah, because we were both craving this shit.
No, I was craving it really. No, come on. Babe, tell them what the comment.
Comment the unicorn.
We got the boom boom sauce on us.
We got the boom boom sauce. We got a little Zax. We got a little tenders. He got...
You know, are you talking about this? No, I got the Jack Smack.
What?
What is it?
I got the Zax.
Oh, I got the wings and things. Or is this called the...
Yeah, wings and things.
No, so they didn't have the original flavor that I eat, which is sweet and sour. But I never tasted their hot wings, so it's just gonna be my first time.
It might be tasty. You never know. I'm gonna try this with the tenders. Let me see if it's good.
What you say, baby?
Dip or fried? Or dip that.
What's these called?
Tenders. They cheated us with the shrimp this time too.
Yeah, they did. Yesterday we had boom boom sauce with the shrimp. Now today we got, what's it called, Zodiac sauce?
Today we're back with a video. I got some information to tell y'all. I think that it is like overdue. And it needs to be said.
What?
I'm ready for a kid.
I bet you want like fuck.
I'm so ready. Like, I'm ready to have kids. I'm ready to stick it in and just do it.
I can't have kids.
I don't.
Let me tell how I know JD is lying. 2 months ago, I told this man I wanted to have kids, and guess what he told me? He made me sign something saying we have to go to at least 15 countries or states.
Countries, not states.
15 countries. And I mean, 15 countries to have a kid, right? Because he wants to experience life first. Oh, and he also made me sign something in his notes. I will tell y'all what it is, but he said about the refrigerator.
I made him sign the contract. And I made him take a picture. I was not playing. But now I think I changed my mind.
You're lying like fuck. I don't know if it's because first having a kid or your mom just had one. We all have a baby.
Okay. As long as I just got like your word that I can go out and just do it.
What? Listen, you ain't even dummy. What the fuck you mean by do it?
Okay.
But I got something for you.
What?
Let me tell y'all something about JD. He has a fetish. Wait, tell him what your fetish is.
I ain't letting no man fight with you.
Wow.
Because if you want to know what I like, go through my Twitter likes.
I don't have Twitter. Ain't any Twitter out there.
He lying.
Ain't any Twitter.
His Twitter name is Pierre Birdsong 123.
That's not me.
On Twitter.
Y'all don't want to see that from me.
They want to see it. Don't follow me because my whole good shows is out on my Twitter. But it's just a tip. Don't get too offended.
Yeah, he gonna delete it soon, so. He told me he was gonna be deleted, but y'all know. The freak is always in him.
The freak in him. Y'all gotta see how many O's he's showing in his pictures though. His pictures be like this.
Monetize it.
They wanted to monetize it if it wasn't nothing that you couldn't show.
Y'all, look, I'm pure and I'm sexy, you know? And plus, I'm not even ugly. I have a long schlong. Oh! My cock-a-doodle-doo is big. Yeah, it's on the average. It's bigger than a lot of people's. It's at least like 10 inches. What? Is it not? Huh?
Yeah, it's about 10 inches. This sauce tastes spicy today.
Y'all, we really mukbangers out here eating. Eat don't care about. I want to let y'all know something. Just because we mukbangers, these meals are probably the only meals that we eat
throughout the day.
Unless we in the mall. Okay. When we're in the mall, we're gonna stop by the what was it called?
Japanese. We stop by Japanese, about Chick-fil-A and Starbucks every time we in the mall.
I don't really like Chick-fil-A. I don't. That's not like what I go to. I usually go to the Japanese thing.
Oh damn.
What, baby? What, baby?
That refrigerator going off again.
How you know it was about to go on?
That shit annoying. I never heard a refrigerator that damn loud.
I have.
Had it.
Old house.
It was that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm just playing.
Y'all, I'm hungry as shit.
Oh my god, today is like a real mukbang, right? So you been messing with my views? Again.
I would bring the laptop so I can show y'all how my views looking right now.
I don't know if it's because I'm black.
Or gay.
You two found out I was gay.
There you go.
And Donald Trump personally told them.
Donald Trump.
It's Donald Trump's fault. Right? Mm-hmm.
He only got like 4 more days in office.
4 more days, baby. As soon as Joe Biden in, I'm gonna personally DM his ass.
What you gonna say?
Fix my views. I'm not voting for you for the next 4 years.
My views, I'm not voting for you.
We got 48 hours. Or I'm making everybody vote Trump. Mm-hmm.
He gonna re-on.
Okay.
He can't run for president again.
Who?
I guess he can.
Well, you already know it's always open. As soon as it's time for somebody to vote, for us to vote again, it's always somebody that come out the woodworks.
Who?
Just an asshole. Like Donald Trump was. Or still is. Racist ass.
I thought we was good.
Fuck no. You want to have the last one?
It's actually when it's nasty to me.
I like the sweet and sour one. But so, who's the giveaway winner?
For what? I told you on the way?
Yeah.
When?
For Christmas? You remember?
I never said that. Never have I ever said that.
Oh, God. We got a Never Have I Ever coming up.
No. Tomorrow. Yeah.
You like, which one? Flats or these? What is a drumstick? Which one your favorite? Drumstick or flat?
Flats.
Which one mine?
And drums.
I just feel like you can get the meat off more. Traditional is more what your tongue can do. How that tongue work. Y'all, this is the most what's called I did though.
What?
A mukbang where I actually just ate.
The whole time.
Yeah. Usually I be doing pranks. Which one? I'm chill today.
These fries was nasty.
It's fuck. Doesn't taste like French toast sticks.
I don't know what. They messed up the shrimp. They messed up this shit. Half of it was burnt. Fries taste like bounce that ass.
The cold sores taste like what?
I don't know. I don't got those. Y'all, I think I'm gonna come like real consistent.
He is consistent, but he's not consistent like where he posts like we do when we post like 3 times a week. You ugly as fuck. Why are you making that face? Why are you doing that?
Well,
Babe, show them what you do at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Show them what you was doing last night at 3 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't doing that. Y'all, he wakes me up. I was.
he don't really sleep.
Y'all, tell y'all
This
know
nigga talk. He don't lie. He lies. As soon as he opens his damn mouth, talk about I'll wake him up. One thing about it is Pierre be up, and he probably be in the living room, minding his damn business. This nigga be messing with me too.
Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is the only person I know that will stay wake up until 6. Last night we didn't go to sleep until 6 because of him. As soon as the TV went off, guess who fell asleep? I have to, in order for me to fall asleep, everything has to be off. It has to be pitch black, and I have to hear not one thing. Unless I'm really sleeping. Last night I was really sleepy. I just couldn't go to sleep. And it only took me about 3 minutes to fall asleep last night. Oh God. You was gay, bro. Yeah.
On the other hand, I need a TV to fall asleep on, and sometimes I have a candle lit up because we bought these candles from Bath and Body Works. Smells so good. Teak wood. If you guys want to buy me a candle, I would put a PO box down below. Order me an ass of teak wood candles from Bath and Body Works. Favorite scent. If y'all ever want to just know what I smell like Dior cologne and teak wood from Bath and Body Works.
You don't smell like teak wood. You smell like Dior a lot. What's Dior cologne?
If y'all ever just,
I'm not starting to smell like Prada.
I want to know how this nigga smell. That yellow ass nigga smell. I smell like teak wood.
Teak wood and backwards.
There you go.
Teak wood and backwoods.
Backwoods.
Or cigarettes.
Oh, I get it.
Cigarettes. You didn't expect me to say that, did you?
Yeah, fuck you. Hey, y'all. Make sure y'all like this video, comment, and subscribe. This is just like it was like a little prank.
What the fuck is the prank?
I want to have a baby, but he know I don't want no kids yet. And nothing personal.
We should do that prank on my channel with Paris.
No, but I don't want no kids yet. I want to
have kids.
I want to live my life.
Have kids.
I told him he can have his.
Now you going first. What if I want to be with you in the next year or 2, or 3 or 4? Then you stuck with the kids.
No, see, that's the point.
We can wait till we like 3 years. We almost 2 years, so we only got 1 year to go. But that's it, Bobby.
You talk too much.
Bitch, you talk too motherfucking wrong.
Shut up.
I told you you need to start talking more, bitch. You becoming antisocial. Hey. Look at your dumb ass. They caught you on camera. You on candy camera now.
Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, leave a question.
You shouldn't edit this video.
Comment.
Back to the shoe size.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment in the comments for more.
Comment Blue on Purple House for more. And those
Come on! What is up with you?
Don't fucking do that shit. Well, I'm gonna square up and beat your ass off him.
Tell me why Pierre was at a restaurant. We was at Benny Hannes. He put his stuff on the wrong side. And then
I asked you first that time. You
this nigga did this. Hold up, and then I'm turning it off. Pierre put all his food. You know, this side is supposed to be where the food go. This side is where you're supposed to close it. Pierre put this side first. Pierre put all his food right here, and then said, "How do I close it?" I said, "Pierre," and he gonna sit here. He gonna do this. I said,
I know. I ain't know how it's gonna move.
"All right, y'all. Love you."
Yeah. Big old freak.